Next is the award for Confident Group Best Debut Female Telugu. And to present this award, we'd like to call on stage Huma Qureshi and Dr. Roy.
Good evening, everyone. Namaskaram. Debut awards are very, very scary and very, very special. I just remember in 2012 how I felt being on the other side. So this is an honor. And the Saima for Confident Group Best Debutante Female Telugu goes to Pragya Jaiswal for Kanchi.
Andarki namaskaram. Good evening, everyone. It's an absolute pleasure to be here tonight, and thank you so much, Saima, for this very, very special award. It makes it a third this month, and I can't be more grateful. It was always a dream, but I didn't know that it's going to come true this soon and this fast, and with so many awards in 1 month. Thank you so much, Krish, the director of our film, for believing in me, for inspiring me, and for pushing all of us to do our best. Thank you, Rajiv, for being such a wonderful producer. Thank you, Varun. You were lovely. Thank you to the entire team of Kanche, Eshu, Baba, Satya. I share this with you all. Thank you, all of you, for watching our film, for loving our film. Thank you to my family, my parents, my sister, who've been by my side throughout. And thank you, all of you. Have a great evening.
సో అలీ గారు ఒక మంచి హీరో కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలండి?
ముందు హీరోగా ఒక సినిమా చేయాలి.
బా
మరి
పంచా
లేదు సూటు ఇక్కడే కొన్నా.
బాబా సరే, కొత్తగా వచ్చే హీరోలకి మీరు ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
హీరోయిన్ వల్ల పడకూడదని చెప్తున్నాను.
మీతో ఏం మాట్లాడినా ప్రాబ్లమే అండి బాబు.
అంటే ఏం లేదమ్మా, అంటే ఫస్ట్ సినిమా చూడగానే కొంచెం ప్రేమ చూపిస్తారు, ఆ కెమిస్ట్రీ ఉంటుంది. ఆ టైంలో వాళ్ళు
మీకు ఏమైనా జరిగాయి అలాంటివి?
జరిగింది, ఇంకా ఇక్కడే ఉంది.
అబ్బో అక్కడ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి అలా వేస్తారనమాట. అది చూడండి, అబ్బో అని ఆవిడ కూడా మొహం తిప్పేసుకుంది, అర్థమైపోయింది అనమాట ఇక్కడ. ఓకే,
Pragya here for us. Oh my God, look at this hot tea. I must say, like, I remember a couple of years ago, Angelina Jolie was on the Oscars carpet and she had a look so similar to yours tonight. Did someone tell you this before?
No, first time. I didn't even think of this, very honestly. Yeah, but she had a slit and it was black. So two similarities, but nothing else.
Of course, you're gorgeous. So tell us, Pragya, how are you feeling today? Saima Telugu and Kannada awards must be really special for you. How is it?
It was amazing. I had such a great time. I finished my performance, so I am relieved because I've been dancing every single day, and I think I was dancing while eating and sleeping and drinking water. Like I was rehearsing in my mind all the time.
Yeah, but I must tell you, Pragya, such a perfectionist. Like, even if the choreographer comes and tells her, it's enough, madam, you have learnt it, please stop. She'll be like, nay, I have to continue. Why so much attention to detail? Why so particular even when you're doing a performance on stage? Is it because, like, what is the reason?
I think I'm always like that, whether it comes to me acting or dancing or in terms of dressing or anything. I just want to put my best foot forward all the time. I want to look my best. I want to perform my best because, you know, anything less than my 100% I'm not happy with. I don't want to leave. I mean, I don't like to do anything half-hearted. So, yeah.
That's so sweet. I think that is so evident with the kind of work that you do. But please do tell us. We're live on Facebook. We have so many friends tuned in. Even though it's so late in India, they're all watching you right now. What would you like to tell them?
I just want to say that watch Saima 2018 when it airs on television. Look out for my performance, and I'm going to connect with you guys on TV then.
And they can also watch it on the View app as well.
Oh yeah, you can watch it on the View app. Download it soon.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much, Pragna. I think Saima is always incomplete without talking to you. Thank you. I know it's super late, but you still came for this live.
Lots of love to all my fans, and I hope to keep entertaining you with nice movies, and see you soon.
Absolutely. Thank you, Pragna.